Monday, August the 19th. This is Shop Talk with Buck. Welcome to my shop. Hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I did a little hand planing and checking and a few little things. Didn't do no whole lot yesterday. But as you can see, we got some hand planing going on. But today, we're going to take a stab at building a workstation for sharpening my chisels and plane blades and all this kind of stuff. But the bench is coming along. All I lack, well, there'll always be something, if you know what I mean. But what I lack is the sharpening station, and I'm gonna put the bench dog holes just where I need them. I already, after that little bit, I need a few more holes. I'll probably go ahead and take care of that. But it is working out really well, as what I hope to. But I do need to get a round over right there. I left them pretty sharp. That one's not so much, but I do need to get that. But this is Shop Talk. For the ones that just joining, everyone else knows as soon as I fire the camera up, I get something caught in my throat. Just nearly every time. I try to let that burn that out. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it don't. But for the ones that are just tuning in, this is something that when you talk in front of the camera, to most people, it's not natural. And to me, when you take pictures, I was usually the one hiding behind somebody or behind the camera taking the picture. But so I had a suggestion come up doing a talking head in front of the camera to get used to talking to the camera. With that said, that's kind of what this is. I did a 30-day thing, lost it, I did another 30-day thing. Then I decided that I kind of enjoy this every morning, to come down and kind of get the thinking cap on and get the phlegm out of the throat, get me some coffee and talk to y'all and see how everything's going. It just seems to be a good way to get your day started. So that's what this is all about. So I'll just be going over what's going on in the shop. Right now I'm putting the finishing touches on the workbench, my hand tool woodworking bench. And other things is going around the shop, planning what I kind of got in mind for the future. I got a lot in mind. If I get everything done that I got in mind, it'll take years. But then the projects I've got that I'm working on, I'm trying to get all this squared away to where I can get back to organized, where I can work a workflow, because I'd like to get back on that dry sink. So that's kind of what we're doing, just to get everybody up to date, so to speak. But this is Monday, start of a new week. These weeks are just clicking right off. Thinking about doing some Christmas shopping, because it's going to be here before you know it. These weeks just really fly by. They really do. Dang it. Man, the weeks are just... But anyway, there it's back. But I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I did. It's kind of uneventful. Went to church, had a wonderful time. Always a highlight of our week, so to speak. So we're just going to work down here this week and see how it goes, and just see how much we can get done. With my wife doing much, much better. Getting very independent now. So I think got one more therapy session. I know we got one this week. But yeah, that allows me to spend more time down here in the shop. So all this stuff I've been wanting to do, maybe I can get her done. Get her done. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week. And I will see y'all on the next one. And y'all be safe now, you hear?